Every Christmas, this cake is the first thing that sells out. And when you see how it's made, you will know exactly why. Every year, people message saying, Snehal, do you have one more cake? And every year, I run out. This is the magic of real butter, raw sugar, fresh eggs, pure vanilla, warm spices. Every ingredient is chosen to bring out that deep festive flavor people wait all year for. The fruits, they have been soaking for months. This is what gives the cake its richness, the kind you simply cannot create overnight. The batter, poured gently into the tin, slow baked, so every bite is moist, warm, and full of flavor. When the cake finally comes out of the oven, the aroma fills the entire house. And this is your sign to book it now.